Hello everyone, welcome to Exergic. In this video, in this discussion, in this interview, we are going to talk to Manan Gulati. Manan, first of all, congratulations for your success in GATE.
Thank you. Sir.
और अपने आप को प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस कीजिए, अपने बारे में बताइए.
Sir, my name is Manan Gulati and I am from Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I am in final year of Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, Allahabad. I am a student of mechanical engineering. I took my first GATE attempt when I was in third year last year, and I secured an All India rank of 2,942.
So Manan, this was your second attempt in GATE, and clearly there is a difference and there is an improvement in your rank. So what exactly you did differently this time, which resulted in such a great rank?
Sir, first of all, most of my course was completed in the last year. This year I had only one job, and that to revise and improve my concepts and improve the question practicing skills. So I took Exergic question bank, and it helped me immensely because the questions was designed according to the GATE, and this year it proved to be more beneficial because the questions were related, and I did feel very comfortable in the exam. Similar pattern questions came in the exam. So yes, Exergic question bank proved to be a great turning point in my career, and also Exergic Pro. I did not complete the course, but जितना लिया मैंने सर उतना वो बहुत अच्छा था, और उसने मुझे बहुत हेल्प किया. और बाकी कोचिंग्स की मैंने टेस्ट सीरीज़ ली थी, उनसे भी मुझे हेल्प हुआ, और एक्सर्जिक की टेस्ट सीरीज़ भी मैंने ली थी, एंड इट प्रोवाइडेड एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस. The great thing about Exergic test series is it provides a subject-wise analysis which is not present in any of other.
Correct. तो जो न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्विंग है उस पे आपने इस ईयर फोकस किया. सिलेबस आपका ऑलरेडी कवर्ड था.
सिलेबस 80% ऑफ
80% ऑलरेडी कवर्ड था. तो ऑब्वियसली इस ईयर आपके पास ये भी टास्क था कि जो आप पढ़ चुके हैं उसके टच में रहना है कंटिन्यूअसली.
यस सर.
रिवीजन जिसे हम कह सकते हैं, तो वो आपने कैसे इंश्योर किया, क्या टैक्टिक यूज की रिवीजन के लिए?
सर, रिवीजन मैंने सर ज़्यादातर सब्जेक्ट्स का तो मुझे इतना डीप रिवीजन नहीं करना पड़ा. मैंने एक बार रिवाइज किया गेट के बाद, फिर मैंने सबके शॉर्ट नोट्स बना दिए कुछ सब्जेक्ट से, जैसे HMT, मैथमेटिक्स, थ्योरी ऑफ मशीन, जो मैंने पिछले साल ही काफ़ी अच्छे लेवल पे कर रखे थे. तो उन सब्जेक्ट्स को आई डिड नॉट डू देम अगेन इन दैट डीप लेवल. सो strength of materials I did not do last year, although I studied once in my second year. So I focused on the subjects that were weak.
मनन, जो टेस्ट सीरीज और जो क्वेश्चंस तुम अटेम्प्ट करते थे थ्रू आउट द ईयर, उसमें तुम्हारी एक्यूरेसी, तुम्हारे मार्क्स कैसे रहते थे?
सर, मार्क्स कांस्टेंट तो नहीं थे. कभी ऐसा होता था कि मैं 80 प्लस भी स्कोर कर जाता था और अगले टेस्ट में 65 के आसपास होता था. पर एक्सर्जिक की टेस्ट सीरीज़ में मेरे इतना फ्लक्चुएशंस नहीं आया. बाकी टेस्ट सीरीज़ में काफ़ी फ्लक्चुएशन आया. एक्सर्जिक की टेस्ट सीरीज़ में कंसिस्टेंटली टॉप 50, टॉप 100 में था, और इसीलिए मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस था. मैं अपने आप को बैक कर पाया पेपर में मेरी स्टार्ट अच्छी नहीं हुई थी, पर क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि मेरे पास 150-160 मिनट्स जो भी हैं, अगर मैं ऐसे ही पूरी तरह कैपिटलाइज कर लूँ तो भी मैं काफ़ी अच्छा कर सकता हूँ. बस यही कॉन्फिडेंस था जो टेस्ट सीरीज़ से मुझे मिला.
तो जो 3 आवर्स थे एग्जाम के तुम्हारे, उसके बारे में थोड़ा और डिटेल में बताओ कि क्या माइंड में चल रहा था, शुरुआत में कैसे क्वेश्चंस रहे?
सर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ऑल नो दैट दिस ईयर पेपर वाज अ स्लाइटली ऑन द डिफिकल्ट साइड. सो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड अटेम्प्टिंग द पेपर, I encountered some tough questions in the starting only. So at the end of 30 minutes I could attempt only 10 to 20 marks of paper, which is quite low because you have to revise at the end also. So but I had in my back of the mind that if I capitalize these 150 minutes only, I can do better. So I forgot all that's gone. I focused on only what's left. So that's how
Okay.
this strategy I adopted also in test series. In one of your test series, I had to go to the toilet, so I had
Wasted some
time. So I thought that okay, I have 20 minutes left. I will do 10 questions in this time frame, and I did more than I expected.
Wow. Right. So this is one of the positives in which you can actually create a similar situation as an exam. Yes, because there's a timer going, and after that obviously you cannot pause the test. Yes. There are many students who request us that, sir, please put a pause option due to different issues. but deliberately we don't put it.
Okay.
So I'm sure these things contribute in
Do
some way or the other. Approximately 10-15 days before examination, what was your strategy? What was your routine? And in general during preparation also, what was your daily routine?
I scheduled my routine according to the exam time. I attempted one test in that slot. I gave the afternoon set of the exam, and I scheduled my whole day accordingly, that maximum focus I get in that time. And yes, I gave 1 or 2 tests daily, and I analyzed my mistake. I made a mistake notebook and I revised that consistently. That's all. You don't need to take that much pressure before the actual exam. It will do more harm than good.
करेक्ट. तो जैसा कि तुमने अपने कॉलेज के पैरेलल ही गेट की प्रिपरेशन की एंड यू हैव गॉट सच अ ग्रेट रैंक, तो क्या ऐसा एक टिप है जो तुम कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट्स को देना चाहोगे जो उनको सही डायरेक्शन में गाइड करे?
So as you know, college is very time consuming. Classes are 9 to 5, so we don't have that much time left. But according to my experience, I would like to share that we should take little steps daily. My college examinations were going on once, and I used to spare a short period of time in between to attempt my test, to practice daily 30 to 40 questions. So I think that little efforts daily proved to be that massive factor that helped me in the GATE exam, in the result.
Correct. So no matter what is going on in college or in your life,
attend the placement sessions, attend all the activities, but do spare a few short period of time in between and attempt few questions. 30 to 40 questions in a day can make a huge difference.
correct, but done daily,
Done daily.
on daily basis,
On
right?
daily basis.
So that's the power of regularity in your preparation. So I'm sure the journey that you have shared is definitely going to, you know, inspire and guide many students in the right direction, how they can utilize their time and make the most out of what they have. I once again congratulate you for your success, and I wish you even bigger and greater success in your further life ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.